Hello everyone, my name is Elmo Vincent Bernardo Moros and I am going to make a paper lantern. These are the materials we are going to use. Paper, glue, pencil, ruler, scissors or cutter, and of course, candle. The first thing I do is I cut little individual pieces of paper. You can also do it by cutting little hearts, stars, moons, sun or flowers, etc. Then, I measure the paper to the lid and as you can see, I extended the paper to make it longer so that it will fit in the lid. Then, I cut it to its perfect length. And I put adhesive to the sides of the lid. After that, I attached the paper to the lid and glued the sides as well. Then, I glued our little individual pieces of paper on the inner top of our paper. And finally, I put the candle inside and make two strips of paper and glued them, one in the middle and the other is on the bottom. And our paper lantern is done. That's all for today's video and goodbye.